Two trades taken today. I'm going to explain the strategy behind taking these trades. Now you'll notice this is very small position size here. This is my master account for the trade copy, and I mean, $5.54 profit on here could be $554 depending on the risk settings on your account. So why did I take this trade? How are our indicators giving us an edge? It's an incredibly simple strategy. It looks complicated, but let me show you how easy this is. I'll go to another Aussie dollar without this, and then we'll have a look at the pound Aussie. So Aussie dollar and pound Aussie. FXCM, we'll do that. Aussie dollar, and the other one was pound Aussie. I'm going to show you how easy it is to trade this. Righto, two trades taken today. Here's the other one. I'll show it to you. And then we'll have a look at the, okay, we're still in this trade here. Disregard the small profit here. I mean, this is a lot of money on a big account and with greater risk. 50%'s already been taken off. This is at break even. All right, so let's just go down. Aussie dollar, we'll have a look at this one now. Here's the strategy. Look, why did I take this trade? It's so easy. First thing, trend track multi. The 4 hour is bearish, number one. And this was the Asia Open. This is how straightforward this is, guys. See that blue dotted line? If that is bearish, and we know for a fact that the 4 hour is trending down, let's just have a look at it. We'll go out. All right, there's your 4 hour. Okay, downtrend, pull back. That's all we're looking for. 5-minute chart. That's our trend. We can see that on the higher time frame, right? So we know that we're looking to short. If the HTF here is bearish, we only go short. Now, have a look at, see these red levels here? You've got 4 of them. One of them's nested here. All right, this is volume profile, multiple volume profiles. Current day, previous day, week, etc. Okay, you need price to work its way down, and this cluster is above. Price has to break under this blue dotted line. This blue line is VWAP, current day VWAP. Current day opening bell here. Purple is current week VWAP, current month VWAP, right? So price needs to work its way down to be under the blue line, and the blue line needs to be heading in that direction, same as the trend. That's it. So let's clear 12 drawings that we've got on here. Play it, and I'll show you why I got involved with this trade. Oh, and the other thing, notice this. This is our volume profile, and you can see how it's shaped like this. What we're looking for is this value area of the volume profile. You can see it through here. Break under the volume profile. You can grab another volume profile. You can throw it in right there if you like. And we'll just do that. And you're just looking for the break under here. Now, the other thing you need, look at the volume profile, the dotted lines. So all you need is price to break under this blue line, price to break under this blue dotted line, purple. That's your signal right there. And the bulk of these are left behind. That's it. Volume profile, value range, breakout, and VWAP levels broken. The higher time frame is bearish. Dotted blue line is your higher time frame. Institutional order flow, basically. All right, so you sell right on that break. Well, stop loss. Well, you got these levels here you can work with. You can go above that. 5-minute chart. Okay, that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. So just quickly hit replay. I mean, we know the outcome, but you know. Oh, and take 50% off the table at 1R. That's all you got to do. 50% off at 1R. Stop loss down halfway. As it trends a little bit further, stop loss a bit closer to break even. That's it. Now the other one was the pound Oz. Oh, that's that one. Let's just go down to this one here. We're in replay. Okay. Again, it was the Asia Open. It could be any open. You know, I mean, it honestly doesn't get any better than this guy. This is trading at its best, in my opinion, with these indicators and the strategy. And I'm not trying to pat myself on the back or anything like that. I mean, this is stuff that I've learned from people who have taught me. And, you know, 20 years in the making, been kind of working towards this point. So have a look. Look at this. This is my secret recipe, this thing here, guys. This blue line, blue dotted line. So in this case, see the higher time frame here, 4 hours bullish. All right. Yeah, you can have a quick look at it if you like. Okay, clearly, right? It's trending really well. So down to a 5-minute chart. This is the Asia Open. Okay, we'll go to replay and I'll just show you how you get involved with this. The volume profile cluster is under here. So it's in a nice, strong bullish trend. Okay, we're above the cluster of the volume profile. This is the monthly VWAP. This is the weekly VWAP. Look at the retest of the weekly VWAP, right? Now this blue dotted line that's my secret weapon, I'm telling you. That if that's trending in that direction and the 4 hour is bullish, see, all we're waiting for is the 4 hour. It trends, it retraces, you know, and then it continues on. So what we're trying to do is get involved. Well, here, it kind of retraced, didn't it? We're trying to get involved when we, into the session open rotation. It looks complicated, but it's so easy, so simple. Okay, this line is Asia Open. This here is the opening bell. Blue line is current day VWAP, other VWAP, blue dotted line, and the cluster of volume profile levels is, you know, we're kind of moving ahead of all of that. So here it is. Look, you've got the volume profile. See, look. So it works. It comes out here, and then it goes back in here. So you're wanting the break of that. So you're wanting a bullish breakout, number one, of the volume profile, and a break of this VWAP, blue VWAP. So you can add volume profile. You could get a fixed range, and you could throw it in from here to here, just to enhance the color, and you know, so you can see it. All right. So you've got these levels. You've got these dots. Well, dash lines here from the volume profile, high and low here. Okay, Asia Open. Play. Hold it right there. Whoa. Okay. It breaks above. See these hashtag? They're bullish signals. So you'd look to take this trade on those alerts. I'd rather than saying having a buy, you know, BUY. I've just gone hashtags on these. All right, we break above the volume profile here. There's the volume profile here, the value area. We break above VWAP and buy. Long position on that break. Stop just under here, something like that. Now, you can, if you want to, I mean, look, this could work its way between these levels all through the Asia session. That's very possible. And you might want to wait for, well, the volume profile range breakout, if you prefer. But it's kind of getting away from VWAP here, so, you know, I got in fairly early on that one. So long position just on that break there. Everything was stacking up, especially this blue line, and, you know, we're leaving all the volume profile levels behind. Close 50% at 1R, pull your stop loss up, and as it trends, I should say, just keep tightening up your stop. All right, where is it now? Yeah, it's coming back down. There you go. Oh, okay, so that's where we ended up in here. I mean, really nice outcome. So we're still in that trade, actually, just to be a bit more precise around the entry point. But yeah, I mean, look, you get the picture, right? Oh yeah, and have a look at this shaded zone here. When we break above that, then we just keep coming back to retest that. Oh, I forgot to mention, we can close that. That's a 5-minute chart, but you can trade it on the 15-minute. And you've got the buy you've got the signals here from the momentum sync. So you would just go on that signal there, breaking above VWAP. See that? There, that buy signal. And the Aussie dollar, did we get a sell signal? Momentum sink? Oh, actually, you can, include all of them. Okay. No, we didn't. But what we did get, this is the trade I'm in, we got this signal here. So that red down signal is the breakout of this blue dotted line. That's a really good signal. So back to the pound Oz. Yeah, well, we had the hashtag signals on the 5 minute, and then we had this one here from the momentum sink on the 15 minute. So, you could watch the 15 and the 5 minute. And I mean, set the signal. All you got to do is just go here, 3 dots, add alert. You're looking for a buy. Just go buy signal once per bar, close if you like, or once per bar, create. And the other signals you can set is on the VWAP here. Add alert and just go all buy signals, all bullish. There you go. But the main thing is the rules of engagement. The blue dotted line's got to be pointing in the right direction. We've got to be above VWAP, or break out of VWAP and break out of volume profile, value area range. Very simple. But the indicators are incredibly sophisticated. I've invested a lot in these guys. It's been a work in progress for a long time. I'm just really happy where we're at with it, especially with the addition of our dotted line. Anyway, you can try these for 7 days completely free, and it's only $29.95 a month after. It's ridiculous, right? So I'm just letting this go highly discounted for now. I've only just arrived at the most recent iteration or update of these indicators, and I want to give it a week. Today's really the first trading day, and yesterday that I've been working with them with this configuration and with these features. So at the moment, free for 7 days, and then $29.95 a month. But it's going to go up. So if you want high quality trading strategy and signals, I mean, I'll leave it up to you to work it out. But what I'm doing in Discord is providing under here, this channel down in here, and futures. It's trading futures yesterday. Okay, that'll continue. Forex, though, is the main thing. I'll post something like this. Aussie dollar. Wait for a pullback and take the next bearish signal. That's it. Take the next bearish signal, Aussie dollar. And as it was, the next bearish signal, that was the next bearish signal there last night. And then Trump got on his thing, and that's what we're up against, right? This whole system is designed to beat market volatility if we trade with a set plan, and we've got that. Simple, follow the rules, pound Oz. I mean, all I said was, I'm long pound Oz there, jump in with me. Okay, it's not always going to be like this. Most of the time I'll be saying something like, wait for the pullback and take the next buy signal. And all you got to do is just set your signal. Just come in here and set a buy signal and just wait for it and then take the trade. Stop loss just under the previous low. That's all you got to do. Target 50% off at 1R and just follow it up with your stop loss if you like. Anyway, guys, look, that's what we've got. I'm really pleased with where we've arrived with this trading system. With that, have a great day and see you in the next one.